Hello, Jenny. Okay, so I'm going to screen record this video in hopes to help out, especially on the times where I'm either unable to answer or just not available at the moment. So first things first, we'll go over if you are disconnecting from the internet. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go towards this bottom right corner. Look for this globe icon if you are not connected. If you hover over it, you'll see it says not connected. Go ahead and click on that. If it is connected, you'll see this bar logo here. On your end, you'll see TP-Link and the Spectrum. So those are the two networks you'll be able to log into. On my end, I'll be using Browser. So if it's not working on one network, go ahead and select the other network. Then you're going to go ahead and click connect. Oh, sorry. Yeah, go ahead and click connect. Okay. Now, if it was successful, this option here should appear as disconnect, and underneath the name of the network, it should say connected. Now, don't worry if it says disconnect on here. If you click that, that'll just disconnect you from that network. Now, the next step for the microphone. So, as I was mentioning the other day about the keyboards, on the keyboard that you use to type, it should be on the upper portion of it. It should be letter F4. I should have like a little microphone icon on there. What you're going to look for is by pressing it, you want to make sure there's no line going across from it. And you should see it towards the bottom center of the, just like so. I'll do it a few more times. So you want to make sure there's no line going across that microphone. If that doesn't fix the issue, then what you're going to want to do is towards the bottom left corner, look for this Windows icon. Now on your screen, it may look different, but relatively it'll be very similar. So you're going to go ahead and click on that Windows icon. You may have to scroll down to the S section, look for settings, or if you see this gear icon, go ahead and click on that also. Now it should take you to this new window. On this box here, you're going to want to go ahead and type mic, M-I-C. Then you're going to select microphone setup. Scroll down to microphone. Set up your mic for speech recognition. Go ahead and click get started. Let it do its thing. Okay, so what's not working? So we're going to go ahead and click Cortana can't hear me. Which of these devices do you want to troubleshoot? You want to make sure microphone array is selected. Go ahead and click next. Set up your microphone. Yada, yada, yada. Would you like to set up the mic? Go ahead and click set up the mic. Now here it's going to give you the instructions for the next step. Go ahead and click next. Peter talks to his computer. He prefers it to typing and particularly prefers it to pen and paper. Okay, so normally you should see this green, instead of this blue bar going across that little section, it should come out green. Um, Either way, whatever it may be, it'll take you on to this next step once it's done. If it was successful in doing so, you should see fixed, and then you should also see a green check here. Now, if it wasn't able to fix the issue, you would see a red X instead of this green check mark. If that's the case, go ahead and just close the box and then just rerun the whole process again of setting up the microphone. For this instance, it was successful. Just go ahead and you can close it on the X or you can close it here. and that should work. Now, hopefully with this video, it'll definitely help out, especially on occasions where I may not be able to be reached, or I may not be able to contact you back as soon as I could. Um, so yeah, hopefully this helps out. If it's still not working, definitely feel free to give me a call, and I will call you back as soon as possible. But if not, hopefully this helps out immensely. So let me know if you have any questions. I'll be more than glad to help as much as I can. All right, thank you. Have a good night. Bye.